Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atineke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous lovely false lock crochet lock using Brazilian hood to achieve this gorgeous hairstyle. So you can see, to achieve this gorgeous crochet locks. So you can see what I'm doing, just wrapping around Brazilian wool on my clothes rack. After I'm done achieving that, I'm going to be showing you guys the Brazilian wool I'm going to be using. Towards the end of the video, we are going to find out how many pack of Brazilian wool I use. You can see on this rack, I section 10 pieces of it. On each pieces, I use 7 strands. For each lock, I use 7 strands to braid. This is what I mean. I use 7 strands of Brazilian wool to braid. You can see what I'm doing from the beginning. I twist. This is how you are going to achieve the loop, so that it's very easier for you to crochet. If you don't achieve this loop, I don't know how you are going to crochet the hair when you achieve this locks, this crochet lock. So it's very important for you to achieve the loop. You can see what I'm doing. I'm going to braid it a little. Can you see? This is what we are going to achieve. We have to achieve that loop. Twist. You have to twist it, then you cross your hand. Can you see? Make sure you grip that twist, as in that you twist, make sure you grip it, then section the Brazilian wool into 3, then start braiding. Let me show you guys again. When you make sure you check the length, that they are the same length, then twist, cross your hand. You have to cross it, then make sure you grip that twist so that you won't lose it, then section the hair into 3, then start braiding. I will show you guys again. Make sure you do the light check, then twist. Make sure you twist it, then cross your hand, twist it, cross your hand, then section the Brazilian wool into 3, then you braid. It's not a must for you to braid finish, just braid a little bit so that you will secure the loop you twist. So this is another section. On this section, I use 4 strands. On each rack there is like 20, because I braid down 10 strands. So for 10 strands, I make sure I section 20. So you can see what I'm doing. I start wrapping. I'm going to zoom in very well for you to see. I start wrapping. Just follow my hand. Make sure you wrap. Make sure the Brazilian wool is flat. Don't twist before you wrap. No, just keep on wrapping. I'm sorry, my camera is out of focus here. Sorry for that. You just have to keep wrapping. Then I'm going to show you guys how you can add another Brazilian wool if you finish the first one you started wrapping with. So you keep on wrapping. So you can see, make sure you put a little bit, then you use your hand to hold it, then you start wrapping. Don't allow it to be long. The one you want to attach, just allow it a little bit so that your fingertips can hold it. I hope you guys understand. I'm still going to show you another one. Just keep on watching. If you are watching to this stage, I really appreciate it so much. I did not do the final look of this crochet because the video is already long. So I'm going to upload next the final look. You're going to see what the final look looks like on my hair, but you're going to see the final look after I'm done crocheting, after I'm done doing it myself. You're going to see. Just keep on watching. So I'm still going to show you how you are going to achieve it again. Make sure you check the length, check the length. Maybe it's already like others before you tie the knots. I keep checking. If it's not up to that, I'll braid, I'll check. So now you can see, just tie a loop twice, then cut it off. Use a lighter to burn the tip. Make sure you have water by your side so you can dip your hand into a cold water before you put it into the tip you burn, so that it won't burn your hand. It's very important. Use a lighter to burn the tip. So use a lighter to burn the tip. I blow it because I didn't put water by my side, but make sure you do that. Then I use my hand just to roll it. So that is it. I'll show you again. I really want you guys to pick this, so I was just changing position. You can see what I'm doing. I wrap. I did not twist before I wrap. It's just flat like that. I wrap, then you keep doing it like that. You keep doing that. You keep doing that. I really want you guys to pick, so that is why I'm just trying my best, because my camera was kind of out of focus, but I know you're going to still pick some very good parts in this video. So sorry for that. So I keep wrapping. So when I'm almost done using that, I'm going to lay it down. Then I'll add another one. You can see a little, then put it. Then I start wrapping again. After I'm done, I tie a loop twice. Then I cut the excess. I cut it off. Then I burn the tip. So just keep on watching. You are going to know how many strands I achieve. Then you are going to know how many Brazilian wool I use. So just keep on watching. Again, do not wrap from the twist with crochets. I forgot to say this from the beginning of the video. Do not wrap. You can see I leave the loop. That is where we are going to crochet. Do not start from the wrapping. Start wrapping. Sorry, do not wrap from the twist we achieved from the beginning. I started wrapping from the braid where I braided. I started wrapping down. I didn't wrap from the loop. If you wrap from the loop, it will be very difficult for you to crochet when you are done. So total Brazilian U I used was 10. I used 10 pack of Brazilian wool. So that is what I used, 10. So I achieved 70 strands of this false lock crochet. I achieved 70. So I'm going to show you. So I just add some spice towards the end of the video. I'll show you what the loops look like. That was why I said do not start the wrapping from where we twist. You have to wrap from where we braid. You are going to see what I'm talking about. Just keep on watching. This is a loop we must achieve so that it will be easier for us to crochet when we want to crochet this on our hair. So this is the loop I'm talking about. You're going to see it now. Yes, can you see the loop? This is the loop. You must achieve this loop. You can see, so that when you want to crochet it will be very easier for you. You can see this stuck on my crochet hook or anything. So I added some sheen to add some shine. Always do that. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your loved one. I really appreciate you guys so much. Your support and love means a lot to me. My next video is going to be on how I'm going to crochet this hair. You're going to see what it looks like together. Stay tuned for the next part, concluding part of this video. Thank you so much for the support always. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always. Mwah.